In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you'll be doing well. Let us discuss irregular forms of verbs, Part 1G, and their use in sentences. Number one word is meet. Second form, met. Third, met. Fourth, meeting. Sentences. I meet my friends on the weekends. It is difficult to meet all their demands. A rash driver was likely to meet an accident. Met. I met him in his office yesterday. Met, third form. He has already met with them. Meeting. We have been meeting with all our friends on every Sunday. Number two, stand. Second form, stood. Third, stood. Fourth, standing. Sentences. I usually stand here to see my friends. He stands first in every exam. I can never stand such behavior. Stood. He stood outside and waited until we went out to him. Stood, third form. My friend has always stood by me. Number three, find. Second form, found. Third, found. Fourth, finding. Sentences. You can find better choices if you try. You can find pleasure by reading good books. Found. I found him standing outside his house. He has been found guilty of stealing the money. They have been finding surprising things in their investigation. Number four, keep. Second form, kept. Third, kept. Fourth, keeping. Sentences. Please keep this book on the table. Keep learning such things. Could you please quiet? Keep quiet for a minute. Kept. I just forgot where I kept my phone. Kept, third form. I am happy that he has kept his promise. Keeping. We have been keeping these books in accordance with the catalogue. Number five, take. Second form, took. Third, taken. Fourth, taking. Sentences. Please take these books away from here. He takes tea after lunch. Don't take him for a fool. He takes his friend out for a walk. Took. I took a paper and started writing a story. He took a taxi when their car broke down on the way to their office. Taken. I have taken all the books out from the shelf. Taking. He has been taking medicine to recover soon. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.